Hey, welcome to this channel. My name is Oliver. Today we're gonna have another session trading with binary options on Quadex. The link to this platform is in the description to this video, and if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Here I show different tactics, I show my sessions of trading with binary options, and I explain some of the indications and working with chart on this platform. So let's start. Don't forget about the description with links to the platform. Also, there's a Telegram group that's worth checking out. Make sure to check it out. It has all the useful information that you might need for the trading with binary options. So let's jump in with the video. Today the video is going to be about basically how to trade on very short options, and we have our first profit here, which is only 90 cents at the moment, and we're gonna go with $2 now. And another option, maybe I go and check a different currency instead, because this one's not looking too hot. Yeah, let's go and check the currency. Okay. Right, so here we've seen a different situation. The price has been going up, so maybe this one is a put option actually. Yeah, that looks like I'm gonna go with a put option. Guys, we just had another profit. We have $3.8 now, and we're gonna go with another option for $3. This worked out because, as I said, the zigzag was pretty certain here, you know, showing us the directions for the different scenario than the other currencies. So in this case here, we're probably going to go with the call option, because see, this one is more like the other one. So we're gonna go with the put option here, because the indication are, you know, it's still not dropped enough in price, so it needs to be a little bit in the lower zone. And this is a profit, guys, as well, 5.61, and here we go. This is the tactic. This is how we do it basically. So the idea now is just to raise our investment price, and so now it's $6. We're gonna go with a currency that we started here. Not going too bad. Gonna go with a call option here, and this we have another profit here, guys, and now it's $11.87 on our balance. So we're gonna go with $11 next. So that means next time, if we have the correct option, it's gonna double, and almost double. It's like 90% almost the payout, and we're gonna have excuse me, $20. It's a sleepy day today here. So this is a put option for $11, and as I said, $20, guys, and this is like from $1 we made in like a few minutes. So we're gonna go with the $20 now, and we're gonna do a let's change it to $20, 21 even we have. That maybe needs a bit more lower in price. It still goes down, so it's a put option. We're waiting, guys. So guys, we have the profit now is $39, so this is very good, and we just put $39, yeah, and then we're gonna find ourselves another option. This has actually gone pretty well. Right now the price was lowering, but I think it's gonna go up a little bit. So let's go with a call option here. 140, 30 seconds. Let's see. And this is a $254 profit now, and we have $255 on our account already. So guys, let's see. So this is going to be a 255, and it's gonna be the put option. Guys, we made a profit from just $1 following this tactic of very short ones, and I've already put 8485 there because that's how much we're gonna get if we are correct, and I'm pretty positive, so I just left it there. So there we go, 487 and 485 is to go for the next option. So let's not waste too much time and let's just see. So that's not looking too hot actually. I would probably go with the put option here, but let's check another currency and then. So I'll go with the call option here. Yeah, because the price looks so considering the zigzag, it's probably gonna go up. Let's see. Guys, this is 8485 thrown back at us because it was so volatile. It still was jumping around, and then it's crazy. But we have this at least return to us. This was very good. It was so risky, so we're almost, got into trouble there. But like I'm still gonna go with a call option here. Let's check out first the other currencies, and then if that's good, we're gonna go to. Oh, actually this one's pretty good. We're gonna go with put option here. This is definitely going down at the moment, so the next 30 seconds we'll see. Guys, this was an amazing trade. This is now $2,602 on our balance. This is absolutely crazy. Now we're gonna make various, like, multiple trades at a time. Now we have two. We can make two trades. And this is what we're gonna do. Let's go and check this currency out, and we'll decide which one to. That's not bad, so maybe a call option here would go pretty good, yeah, like ooh, so we go 1 and 2, the two options each for 1,000, so we can multiply our chances here, right, because the maximum investment is 1,000. So can you even imagine, like, we made 2,600 with just $1. This is pretty good. This is how the sessions are. Like, if you're new, subscribe to the channel. This is what the sessions are about. Trying to make money out of. There's one and there's two. Guys, $4,342 already. This is the tactic. So we use multiple trades to cover up some of the to cover up more trades, basically. And see this patterns here. So this go to the stock and we check this one out. Now we can make 4 options, 4 trades at a time, and we're gonna go with a call option to 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, and 3. $6,952, guys. This easy, like, because this is, you know, this is just reading basic technical analysis, reading some of the text, some of the patterns on the chart. And we're gonna go with this option, 11,500, guys. This is absolutely crazy. This is what it is, from $1, guys. Can you imagine? It's absolutely crazy. So if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing and give us a like, give us a message if you have any questions or suggestions, and make sure to check out the description to this video for additional links and information. Also a Telegram group where we post a lot of useful information for the trading with binary options. I wish you all good luck and goodbye.